Welcome to our informative video on Aster Yellow disease of sunflower. In this video, we will explore the symptoms and management of this destructive disease that can affect your sunflower plants. Aster Yellow disease is caused by a bacterium-like organism called a phytoplasma, and it primarily affects plants in the Asteraceae family. Join us as we dive into the signs to look out for, effective management strategies, and preventive measures to keep your sunflowers healthy and vibrant. In today's episode, we will be discussing an important topic, the Aster Yellow disease that affects sunflowers. Sunflowers are a beloved addition to any garden, but they can fall victim to various diseases. Let's learn about Aster Yellow disease, its symptoms, and how to effectively manage it. So, let's get started. Aster Yellow disease is a plant disease caused by phytoplasmas, which are small, bacteria-like organisms. These phytoplasmas belong to a group named Candidigenous phytoplasma, and there are different strains that infect specific plants. Sunflowers, being in the Asteraceae family, are highly susceptible to Aster Yellow disease. The symptoms of Aster Yellow disease can vary, but here are some common signs to look out for. Yellowing and stunting. Infected sunflowers often exhibit yellowing and stunting of the leaves and stem. The yellowing starts at the bottom leaves and gradually progresses upwards. Witch's broom formation. Typically, sunflower stems develop a characteristic bushy appearance due to excessive branching, often referred to as witch's broom. These abnormal growth patterns occur as a result of the phytoplasma's interference with plant hormones. Distorted flowers. Infected sunflowers may produce distorted flowers, with petals that are smaller, misshapen, or discolored compared to healthy plants. Phyllody. Another significant symptom is the development of phyllody, where the floral structures such as stamens and pistils transform into leaf-like structures. This abnormality prevents successful seed production. If you notice any of these symptoms in your sunflower plants, it is crucial to take action promptly to prevent further spread. Management of Aster Yellow disease. Managing Aster Yellow disease requires an integrated approach involving both cultural practices and chemical control methods. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Identifying and removing infected plants, age 3. Broking. Inspect your sunflower plants regularly and remove any plants showing symptoms of Aster Yellow disease immediately. This step helps prevent the spread of the disease to healthy plants. Controlling insect vectors. Insect management. Managing the insect vectors that transmit the Aster Yellow phytoplasma is crucial. Controlling leafhoppers and other potential carriers through appropriate insecticides or physical barriers can significantly reduce the transmission rate. Weed management and crop rotation. Weed control. Eradicate any weeds in and around your sunflower garden, as some weeds can serve as alternative hosts for the phytoplasma. Crop rotation. Practice crop rotation to break the disease cycle. Avoid planting sunflowers in the same location for at least 3 years to reduce the risk of reinfection. Minimizing insect habitats and favorable conditions. Habitat modification. Eliminate areas of standing water and remove any unnecessary vegetation near your sunflower plants. This reduces the ideal living conditions for insect vectors. Proper watering. Water your sunflowers at the base to avoid wetting the foliage, as moist leaves attract insect pests. Clean tools and equipment. Sanitation practices. Thoroughly clean all gardening tools and equipment before and after use to prevent cross-contamination and potential spread of the disease. Remember, preventing the disease is always better than treating it. That brings us to the end of today's episode on Aster Yellow disease of sunflower. By understanding the symptoms and implementing effective management strategies, you can protect your sunflowers and ensure their continued health and beauty. We hope you found this information valuable and encourage you to stay vigilant in maintaining healthy plants. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time.